So guys, for the first method, you're going to head over to search and type in wsreset.exe. Click on it, which is now going to reset the Microsoft Store cache. See if that works for you. If that's still not working, then for the second method, you're going to head over to search again and type in Microsoft Store. Now, you're going to click on App Settings. And then once you're on this, you're going to scroll down and then click on Terminate. Now, you're going to click on Repair. Wait for this to load. And then once that's been repaired, see if that works. If that's still not working, then you're going to click on Reset. And then click on Reset again, which is now going to reset the Microsoft Store. See if that works for you. For the last method, you're going to head over to search again and type in Windows PowerShell. Now, you're going to run it as administrator. And then click on Yes. And then once you're on this, you just want to copy and paste the code, which will be down below in the description. It starts with Get-AppxPackage. You want to highlight this code. It's going to be down below. And now to copy it, you want to do Ctrl-C on your keyboard, and then come to PowerShell, and then do Ctrl-V to paste it, and then click on Enter. This will now uninstall and reinstall the Microsoft Store. Wait for this to load. And then once that's been done, you just want to restart your computer, and then this should now fix your problem.